Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Service Express, and we're doing an installation here, and it's cold. So here is a new one. That's the coil flue pipe. See the drain line. That's the flue pipe. That is the float switch where you put Clorox or bleach. PVC line goes across. The drain line, that's the sediment trap for the gas. That's the filter base there at the bottom. Change out your filter. And that's the old one here, furnace and coil. That's the old one there, truck there. And here's the new one installed. We're finishing up here, but looks good. So call us for our AC heating and refrigeration needs, 512-448-0532, 512-448-0532. You can find us at the web at www.abcaustin.com. Okay, see you guys in the next video. All right, bye-bye.